Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to download, install, and set up your C2W Inventory Management Software. Step 1. Go to c2wtechnology.com. Enter your email address in the subscription box and click Submit to download the software. Step 2. Go to your Downloads folder and double-click the C2W Inventory installation file. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Step 3. After the installation finishes, the software's login page will open. Click Is Cloud Database to select cloud storage. Then, click Sign Up and fill out all required fields in the sign-up form. You'll enjoy a 14-day trial period, after which you'll receive a reminder to subscribe. If you don't subscribe, your account will automatically switch to the free version. Finally, click Create Account to complete your setup. After completing the sign-up process, you can start exploring and utilizing the features of the C2W Inventory Management Software to streamline your inventory, sales, and purchase management.